Welcome to WaterWorks. We have a series of videos that showcase some of the hands-on activities that are relevant to the needs of the water and wastewater utility. In this experiment, we are going to showcase the effects of terrain on environmental contamination entering the water systems through WaterShed. The materials for this experiment are the WaterShed model, water, spray bottles, food dye, cocoa powder, and cotton balls or any absorbent material. First, the town model is set up as instructed. This model creates a variety of scenes and utilizes different elevation points to give examples of how water runoff can pollute our water systems. A cup of clean water is then placed into the empty lake. This lake will display the effects of polluted runoff entering the environment. A mixture of cocoa powder and water is used to represent polluted water. This mixture is emptied through the industrial plant. This water then flows from highest to lowest elevation and enters the body of water at the lowest point in the model, which is the lake. The cocoa mixture is then placed in an area that represents clarifier tanks for wastewater. Water is sprayed onto this area, simulating rain. The simulated rainwater causes the wastewater to overflow the tanks and continues downstream into the larger body of water. This process is repeated to exhibit the contamination through WaterShed at the farm scene. The main contaminants from farmland are pesticides, which enters the water system through rainwater runoff. Runoff from rainwater is inevitable, but there are methods we can adopt to minimize the risk of contaminants entering our water systems and surrounding environments. At the same farm scene, cotton balls, representing patches of vegetative layers such as grass and shrubbery, are used as a barrier between the farmlands and the body of water downhill. Notice how the contaminated water is absorbed into the vegetative layer and does not leak into the lake.